The 2003 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, tires, rear all-terrain, fourth passenger door, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass, tires, front all-terrain. Inside you'll find cruise control, power outlet, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, passenger airbag on-off switch, passenger vanity mirror, cloth seats, driver airbag, driver vanity mirror. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.